Okay, so I've got the diagonal tighter. We've ended up pretty much spot on in the middle of the bands, which I'm happy with. Yeah, I think that's pretty much spot in the middle, yeah. But our tension has gone just a little bit too soft. You can see there is, you know, it can S-curve a little bit. It's moving a little too freely. This camera's got focus better. Okay, it's pretty darn close, but it does have some slack in it that needs to be pulled out. There's definitely no tension on it at all whatsoever. So this is where our chart, we got to add some extra categories almost. We're basically, we're in the perfect position, but we're too loose. So it's, I'd have to think about it, but somewhere like on the borderline between two categories. And the answer is that we're going to have to adjust both the bling and the diagonal, because we do not want the position to move. We want it to stay exactly where it is, but we want the luff to get tighter. So what's going to happen is the bling's going to have to drop, bringing this lower by like less than 1/8 of an inch, and then we want the same to happen at the top. Okay, so because these measurements are so precise and small, I do think it's really a great idea to have settings on your mast. So, and you want to know what you actually care about is where the sail itself ends up. So you can mark the sail, okay, and then get a little sticker, some tape or something, and I can't write black on black, but you know, if you can do a row of horizontal marks here and maybe number them or whatever it is, every time you rig your boat and go sailing, you know, you observe where you've ended up, you know, write it down, and then you know that you're always aiming to get your bling set to where this mark is at, you know, number 3 on your row of marks or whatever, and then you can do the same thing at the top of the sail, which you can imagine what that would look like. So I've even thought about making some really clean stickers for this process, but you can find creative ways to mark it up yourself, even just a thin white paint marker or something. So yeah, I'm going to lower the bling and ease the diagonal to try to keep us in the same spot and get our tension perfect. Unfortunately, probably the half twist from 2.5 down to 2 is going to be a bigger change than we want already, so we'll see what the answer is going to be.